What's up? What's up? Confirming, courtesy of Carlos Rene. I believe that's how his last name is pronounced. Muchísimo gracias, buddy. This is the old Chevy bow tie for a new body Impala for everybody to see. Yep, there she is. And this is the new one that I just put on. And I wanted to confirm it was an easy peasy job. Per his instructions, you get under this bad boy. All it took for me was a fingernail, literally. And you pull it off slowly. This is the old. You can see I tried to paint it with the like plasti dip type whatever. I did like a terrible job. And this is the new and improved and better looking. It literally, like he said, took about 2 minutes. Pulled it off. I pulled it slowly. Mine was took a little bit of give, but it came out. And put the new one in and pressed it, and it's in there solid. It's like it was manufactured that way. For anyone that wants to know, I actually got it from the dealer. I got the front and the rear bow tie, but I didn't apply the rear. Not sure how to do that yet. And rather than having a dealership do it, or for those that don't want to paint it, don't feel too confident about painting it, that's what I did. And it came out, it's gorgeous. So much obliged, Carlos, and I just wanted to testify what he did was great. And there you go. Future we'll get the back bow tie. I'm also inquiring a possibility of these. There are some new LEDs out for the rear. Haven't gotten a hold of them yet, but I heard, courtesy of another gentleman, that you have to come across this bumper area to pull these out to get to these on both sides. I'm not sure if I want to take that initiative yet, but maybe, just to stand out a little bit. This is the LT V6, and I wanted it to look a little different. Thank you kindly, and hope you guys enjoy it.